Good evening, my good people. My good names are Maclean, Luvandwa, Ashona. And what is your name?
Lavinamilaya.
And what do you want to make today?
Mandazi.
Yummy, yummy?
Yeah.
Yummy.
Yes. Yummy, yummy. Yeah.
Yummy, yummy mandazi. I have my 2 eggs. Mama hapa ni kadogo. I have my 2 eggs. Let me change them with the big eggs. Big eggs. Big mayai. Hata zinatoshana tu. In fact, zenye nimetolea ndio kubwa.
Napata ni kubwa kuliko
I have my 2 eggs.
And we also
I have my 2 eggs.
And salt.
I have margarine. I have my bicarbonate soda. I have my cinnamon. I have my lemon. I have milk. We have salt.
I add a little salt.
I have sugar. I have my flour. Welcome, step by step as we make our mandazi. Karibuni, let's make mandazi together.
And then starting with flour.
We are going to start with the flour. Nikimalizia sisa ila bila sawa. Sisa. So now I have to take my smaller spoon. Then I'll have to add a little more flour because it's weekend. I didn't have the arrowroot, so I'll make mandazi, more mandazi. I'll add my bicarbonate, just a little bit of bicarbonate, little bit, not a lot, bicarbonate. Salt. Just a little bit. I'll put cinnamon. Half a spoon. Cinnamon. I'll put sugar. Sugar.
Yes.
Sugar. I'll put my margarine. No, I'll have to grate the lemon first.
Yeah, grate the lemon. And
I have to grate the lemon. Lemon. Okay. Sijui mbona uko na rashes kwa uso mama. Ama unago. You will get this one. No. It's work. It's work, guys. It's work. I need more of this. No, that's not enough. I need more. This is mbona ipeti vizuri. I have to change this one. Yes. This is enough. I have to add my margarine. Here.
So many.
I'll have to. I normally put everything together so that I start kneading with the milk. This is the egg. Havina. Add one egg. Milk. More milk.
Yeah, more milk.
I don't use water in my mandazi, guys. I only use milk. It's time for me to use my hands.
Add more milk. Please, okay?
My hands are clean, guys. My hands are very clean, very clean. Let's put. Na sijapika. Hey. My dog is ready for mandazi. I leave it to cool for some around 20 minutes. Then I'll come and cook. As I'm waiting for it to cool, guys, it's here. It's here, mandazi dough. Welcome, join me as I wash my utensils. I'm waiting for it to cool for around 20 minutes, and then I'll start cooking. But then let's wash our utensils so that after that we can start making our mandazis. And now let's make our mandazi. Our mandazi. Better kiss. Yeah. Let's mock. Alafu toe besheni tuwekele, si ndio? Mandazi, our mandazi, our mandazi. Our mandazi, our mandazi. Tunaweza ni vlog kabisa completely sasa kwa YouTube. Metosha. Guys, we normally do this when you have a lot of visitors. You make a lot of mandazi, small, because if you do the big mandazi, only God knows what will happen next. So we try and make this smaller to mandazis. Okay, my people? Okay, my people? Una ni inconvenience hapa. We are cooking mandazi. We are cooking mandazi. We are cooking mandazi. We are cooking mandazi.
This is my mandazi.
Talk to my people, mommy.
This is my mandazi. I have made. They want mandazi. I don't want.
Talk to my people. Hi people, how are you? My baby is helping me make mandazi. Yummy mandazi.
Yeah.
Say hi to my people.
Hi. My name is Gabby. Welcome to my mom's channel. And please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Share to your friends, family, and that you know.
Of course. Hey guys, I'm done cooking my mandazi. My mandazi, karibu Kenya, karibu mandazi. Here. Yummy.